Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial from me about how to turn in your quizzes and what you should do for that. So let me share my tab. So here we are. So the first thing you want to do is you'll go to your class. You might go to quizzes, you might go to assignments or grades. So let's say we want to take our Unit 1 quiz. So when you go to take this quiz, the first thing you'll see is that before you start, you should click the review. The review link, if you've never taken the quiz before, is a lesson or a quick run through of the lesson that the quiz will go over. Also there shortly will be a YouTube video that I have put together for Unit 1. Units 1 through 7 should have their own YouTube videos by now. And I will input those into the quizzes. So you can go to that lesson and watch that YouTube video to get an idea of what I need you to know for the quiz. Then just take the quiz. Okay? Then when you're done, I'll get a grade. So for quizzes that are short answers, that have short answers or long answers, I have to grade it. So let's say it has one multiple choice question and four short or long answer questions. It's going to say if you get that first question right that you have a 2 out of 10 until I grade it. And then once I grade it, you'll get your actual grade. And then I tend to give feedback in the questions. So always go back, check your submission comments, and see if you can get some feedback from me. And if you're not understanding it enough, you can always reach out to me, or I'll ask that you reach out to me, or I'll reach out to you. Either way, I'm going to try to make sure you understand your quizzes. That's all. That's all you need to know about your quizzes. And thank you. And I will catch you guys later.